Is your money safe in a digital age? Cracking open the Capital One vault. Ever stare at your phone, a mountain of bills looming, and wonder, is my bank account actually a safe? Let's face it, in a world where data breaches seem like daily headlines, trusting an institution with your hard-earned cash can feel like a leap of faith. Today, we're cracking open the vault on Capital One, a financial giant known for its quirky marketing and online presence. But is Capital One safe for your money? We're diving deep into security features, federal protections, and what you need to know to bank with confidence. Fort Knox or phishing fantasy? Capital One security measures. Capital One throws a lot of digital security at your money. Multi-factor authentication, that fancy term for needing a code beyond your password, is a must for logging in. They also boast encryption that would make Fort Knox jealous, scrambling your information into unreadable gibberish for anyone trying to peek. But security is a constant battle. Phishing scams, those tricky emails or texts designed to steal your login info, are a real threat. Capital One offers tools to fight back, like email address verification to make sure it's really them contacting you. Still, vigilance is key. Remember, Capital One will never ask for your password in an email or text. That's a red flag. The FDIC, your money's guardian angel. Here's some peace of mind. Capital One, like most major banks in the U.S., is FDIC insured. That stands for the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, a government agency that acts like a safety net. In the unlikely event that Capital One hits a financial snag, the FDIC insures your money up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank. Think of it as a financial airbag. Beyond the basics, building your banking fortress. So, Capital One offers solid security features and FDIC backing. Great! But how can you make your account even more secure? Here are some pro tips. Variety is key. Don't use the same password for everything. If one account gets compromised, it doesn't have to domino to your entire financial life. Monitor like a hawk. Keep an eye on your account activity. Most banks, including Capital One, offer mobile alerts to notify you of any transactions. Spot something suspicious? Report it immediately. Download with caution. Be wary of downloading anything from suspicious emails or clicking on unknown links. These can be gateways for malware that can steal your information. The final verdict, friend or foe to your finances? Capital One offers a robust set of security features and falls under the FDIC's protective umbrella. That's a solid foundation for keeping your money safe. However, security is a two-way street. By using strong passwords, monitoring your accounts, and practicing safe online habits, you can build a fortress around your finances. So, is Capital One safe? With the tools at their disposal and a little caution on your end, Capital One can be a secure place to keep your money. But remember, no system is foolproof. Stay vigilant, and your hard-earned cash will likely rest easy in the digital vault. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.